ticket not showing on a TickPick account, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. To fix the ticket not showing, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to any kind of Wi-Fi or data, then it won't be able to show you the ticket. So make sure that you are connected to any of it. And the next thing which you can do is that you just need to refresh or reopen the app. So if you have opened TickPick, then you just need to simply close the app and you just need to open it again and see if it is showing a ticket or not. So if it is showing a ticket, then that's good. If that is not showing a ticket, then you just need to log off from your TickPick account and simply try to log into your account again. So you just need to simply log out from your TickPick account and log in by using the username or email of your account. And if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then your app may not be up to date. So open App Store on the device and from here search the app TickPick and see if there is any update available for that. So if there is any update available for that, then that may also be the reason that the ticket is not showing on the app. So make sure that it is up to the latest version which is available. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to restart your iPhone once and check if your ticket is showing on your iPhone or not. So by doing all of it, you will be able to fix the issue of ticket not showing on the TickPick. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.